What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the GOULD'S Gaming and Tech channel. Today we're going to be talking about the 7 recommended cases I have right now for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. These by far are not the best cases, not to say that they're bad, but these aren't the best cases for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. These are just the ones I have so far, and from using them, that I would recommend. So without any further ado, if you're new to the channel and you're appreciating the content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're new or returning, make sure you hit that like button. It definitely helps out. So the first case we're going to get into is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Mag case. This is a clear case. It ranges between $19 and $20.99, I believe, on Amazon. So it is MagSafe compatible. It's pretty slim. It doesn't add too much bulkage to the case or to the phone. Snaps right in. No issues. Obviously, it's a fingerprint magnet because it's clear. No pun intended, but it's clear. It allows you to see your phone. All the cutouts work properly. You have your cutouts right here for your charging and your speaker grills, your volume up and down, your actual volume switch, and that is about it. And you have your power button here and your camera cutout. But it's good protection. Spigen always makes pretty good cases. No complaints with this one right here. So I really like this case. Only drawback is that fingerprints, but other than that, it's pretty good. The grip feels good, pretty good in the hands. If you drop it, obviously on any angle, it's gonna protect your phone. So definitely recommend this case. So the next one we have is the Spigen Mag Armor case, and this is the black one, which is this one right here. This is about $24.99 on Amazon. This is MagSafe compatible as well. So I really like this case because it's black for one. It's slim. MagSafe right here. Let me grab my MagSafe wallet right here. So you can put your wallet back on here. Black and black looks good. The power button is kind of raised a little bit, so you won't have any trouble getting to that. It fits the phone pretty well. There's no excess case, if that makes any sense. So the camera cutout is good. It's a little bit raised, so you don't have to worry about you breaking one of your camera lenses. Your volume up and down is pretty raised as well. You got your cutout for your volume switch, and then your charging and your speaker grills are on the back. But I really like this case. It's very grippy. All right, next cases, which is 2 that we have on the list, is the Surfy, I think that's how you say it, the Surfy Silicone cases. Now I have Plum right here in Midnight Blue. I definitely like the feel of these cases. I think they came with stickers, and it has like a little velvety feel inside, but it came with some stickers. So I think these cases, you can put like stickers on the back and make them super like customizable and stuff like that, but I didn't put any stickers on it. But I really like this case. The feel of it is really good. It's super smooth. You really don't have to worry about grip with this one. And the reason why I like these 2 is because they included the camera cutout as far as each individual camera in the case, so it covers up a little bit more, and it's still pretty raised, so your cameras aren't going to get damaged if it falls flat. But I really like these cases solely because of the way it feels and this little cutout right here designed for the camera, how it kind of covers all the empty space. So these are definitely awesome. The cutouts, I guess you can see both views. The cutouts for these are pretty good. You have your power, your volume up and down rocker, the cutout for your volume switch. Same on the bottom, you have your charging cutout and your speaker grills, and nothing on the top. So definitely recommend these 2. These are dope. So I'm gonna put these over here. Next phone on the list, I think I'm gonna try to say this one right. The Mangix Slim Fit case with the camera cover on it. This is about $16 on Amazon. This is probably my favorite case, only because it completely covers the camera with this little sliding hinge right here. It kind of makes me feel like I got a secret. It's like a sliding little latch or door. It makes me feel like I got a secret. But I really like this case. The design of it, how you got the lines on the back, is super grippy, so you're not gonna drop this or worry about it slipping out of your hands. The cutouts are pretty raised a little bit, so you don't have any issues trying to find those. But you got your power, your volume up and down, volume switch, nothing on the top, and you have your charging and your speaker on the bottom. But this is the main attraction right here. This little sliding door, the sliding little latch right here. But super thin, it's not bulky. Definitely recommend this case. And the last but not least, I didn't even know what the hell this case was at first, because I just got it out of Verizon, because there was no way I was walking out of the store with a new phone, definitely an iPhone, without having a case. So I just told them to give me a case. I just like the look of it, and I didn't even know the name of it, but I found it on the internet. So this is a Tech21 EVOLITE case. This is the black one. It's $25. There's nothing special to this case. I don't really care too much for this case, but it definitely protects. If you put this in your hand, you will definitely feel the rigid edges. It's kind of like, it's thin, but it's thick, if that makes any sense. So only reason I'm recommending this case is because it definitely will protect your device. There's nothing fancy with the design on it, no like branding besides this Tech21 branding on the side, but it's a good case as far as protection. As you can see, it's like super raised around the camera. It's raised around the edges of the phone. All the cutouts are seamless. They work well with the phone. But this is recommended because it's matte, no fingerprints, because my hand's a little greasy right now, but no fingerprints, and it's going to protect your device. So those are the 6, I think this is 6 or 7 cases that I recommend. I definitely appreciate you guys for checking out. Damn, this thing is hard to get off. I appreciate you guys for checking out the video. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you're looking for a case, the link for the description for all these phones or all these cases will be in the description. Let me know what you guys think. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Let's get it.